Hi, in this video we're going to show you a tool you could use to extract audio from your video files. So let's say you have something like a concert video and you want to just get the audio from it so you could listen to it on your MP3 player or in your car or on your phone, that type of thing. You could use this program to do so, and you could also do multiple videos at the same time. All right, so if we go to their website here, so it's called Convert Audio to Video. And there are two versions. There is a standalone version and an installable version. So if you don't want to have to install it, you could simply download the standalone version and run the executable after you extract it from the zip file. And that's the version I'm running here. And here are the features showing what formats you could convert from. And then here are the differences between the trial and the licensed version. So if you use the free version here, you could only extract audio from video files. You can't change any audio settings. You can't use it commercially with the free version here. And you'll have to see a nag screen and you won't get any updates. And you can't disable the updates. But it's only $19, so if it's something you're going to use all the time, it's probably worth buying it. Alright, so I have the licensed version here. Like I said, I have the standalone version, so I just need to double click the executable here. So it's a really simple interface. You just pick your format. And you have some audio settings here for bitrate, bitrate control, sampling rate, audio channels, and MPEG parameters. So you could just drag and drop your files in here or add files or a whole folder. So I have a couple here. So here's what one of them looks like here. So it has some music to go along with the video. So once we have our files loaded here, you can also check the box for volume normalization. Click on convert. And you can change the target folder as well, of course. All right, so the process is done. So now I could just click on the MP3 file. And now I have just the audio extracted from the file. All right, so you can see it's pretty simple to use and very effective. So you might want to give it a shot. So I will put a link in the description where you can download a batch audio converter and you can try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.